Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be unboxing the iPhone 14 and I can't wait to unbox it. And I took the tape off and stuff because who wants to see that? You just rip the things off. I got it in the color Midnight. This unboxing. I really like the color. It's very dark, just like it does on the box. Oh my god. And there's a dual camera for censorship technology. Oh gosh. Well, already did the plastic thingy. Okay. But like, just look at that. It's so nice. Let's turn it on. I can't wait. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and set it up and I'll show you how I like it. Okay, so I already set it up and I already got it. The notch is still the same, just like the iPhone 13. Okay, don't look at my password. Okay, I have all of my apps from my current phone here. I really like it. It's still 60 hertz. I really like it. It's so new. So it has all of my favorite apps on here. Okay, I'm gonna do a camera tip. Just joking. This is not the iPhone 14. Hopefully I do get a review unit of the iPhone 14. But hopefully I do get a review unit of the iPhone 14. But I'm not too big of a YouTuber though. I can still get one, but I don't like shipping it back to people though, because I don't know how long it's gonna take. Then they're gonna sue me or rob me because I didn't give it back to them in time. But yeah, it's 10:23 p.m. I made 3 videos today and edited 4. This is gonna be my 4th one, and I have to go to sleep around 10:30. So yeah, there's just a last minute video, but yeah, this is a joke. This is all a joke. This is my iPhone 13 in Midnight. It's still good to be a phone. But thank you guys for watching this well, it's not really clickbaited, but it's clickbaited. And I already did a thumbnail before this, so yeah. So thank you guys for watching this video. And bye for whoever fell for it. But thank you guys for watching this video and bye. Now I gotta charge.